Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and this video deals about another problem on Morse test. And the question is here: a 4-stroke cycle petrol engine has 6 cylinders of 80 mm bore and 100 mm stroke. The engine is coupled to a dynamometer having a torque arm radius of 40 mm. When all the cylinders are operating, the net brake load is 350 Newton at 3600 rpm. When each one of the cylinders is cut out, the average net brake load produced at the same speed by the remaining 5 cylinders is 275 Newton. Estimate the total IP of the engine and the mechanical efficiency. For this we have to first find out brake power developed when all the cylinders are working. That is 2 pi nt, that is 2 pi into n is 3600 by 60 into 350 into 0.4 into 10 raised to minus 3, that is 52.78 kilowatt. And now brake power of the engine when each cylinder is cut off. Two pi into 3600 by 60 into 275.40 10 raised to minus 3, that will be 41.47 kilowatt. And now the indicated power of the cylinder cutoff. is 52 41.47. That will be equal to 11.31 kilowatt. Now total IP of the engine will be equal to 6 into 11.31 into 67.86 kilowatt. Mechanical efficiency, that is equal to BP by IP, that is equal to 52.78 67.86 0.7777, and that will be 77.77%. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.